Alrighty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We got some packages in the mail, so I'm going to open them. They're all from Amazon. I'll open them first. Okay. So, this one I got. Tiny. Okay, so this is from. These are hair extensions. Yeah. Oh, these packages. This package is gonna be a lot bigger. I'm not gonna lie. I can't even get it open. We're gonna use my key to open this. I've been wanting to get extensions for a while. Oh, yeah. Not that good. Okay, so these are what they look like. I am excited. I'm not going to do a separate video of me putting them in. But yeah, that's number one. Okay, so I ordered an outfit from my graduation party. Or, it's like kind of my graduation outfit. So it's an extra small. So we have this skirt. And then we got this spaghetti strap top, and I don't know how I feel about it. Both of these are necklaces and stuff. But yeah, so it's a little outfit. I'll do a try without any clip on it. I'm gonna put that on. So there's that. And then I got makeup brushes. I'm trying to get back into doing makeup. So I got a set of these are like $9. They're really cheap and I really like them. Yeah, so that's bag number one. So box number two. I think these might be my earbuds, so I don't understand why they need to make such a big packaging. It's also me, so like I don't have a knife, which is fine. Thank you. All this overwrap for box this size. So these are my Bluetooth earbuds because mine finally went out after like a year of having them. So I got new ones. Box number two. The only thing that came in that box was their earbuds. Okay, so I also had to get a laptop for school. So this is what I think this box is. They should have put fragile on the box since it's a laptop, but oh well, I guess. Trying to cut it. It's not working. Damn, Amazon. You really gotta. Cool. Oh, this is so hard. Okay. part of this, right? The other part of this right there. Cool, come out. Okay. Oh, it's such a small laptop. That's a small laptop. Thought it was gonna be bigger, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's the thing. Where's the... Oh, that's the power button. Maybe? Oh, okay. Yeah, my laptop. I'm very much excited, so... Alright. I'll open up my makeup brushes. Well, that's loading. We're gonna put up the makeup brushes. This is a tiny laptop. I'm gonna have to find a case for it. I don't have one. Okay. Hold on. Alright. Got him out of the box. So we got this purple case. So that everything's purple with these or
Oh, look, my little boy's making friends.
I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this in here. Assuming it goes bigger to smaller. So okay, 1 second. Alright, so I got it. There's no gap here because I put like most of them at the end, which I mean I shouldn't do, but like most of them. The fact that I didn't really realize what all these pockets were for. So don't mind me. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial video, like an actual makeup tutorial video later. Maybe today, maybe not. I haven't quite decided yet. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. I want to put in this hair extension.
What time do you work?
Alright. I want to put these hair extensions in. So here we go. I'm scared. I think I'm nervous because like last time I tried getting extensions, they didn't really work out, and it said human hair. They're so soft. And length, come on now. I'm excited about these. I'm very excited about these. So, don't have scissors, which is weird, but okay, hold on. Okay, so I got them in, as you can see. If it's not up on the chamber, you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. I'm gonna have to get another pack of these. I think, like, if I braid it, honestly, I think it'll be fine, because that's what I did with my other ones. I just braided them. which and my other one should be coming in before graduation anyway, so I'm not too fussed about it. So I'm not too fussed about it, I'm not fussed at all. I'm gonna braid these and see how it looks because I know the other ones look really good when they were braided. And these are human, it's human hair. It got thin real fast. Uh-oh. Yeah, so this is thin hair. Thick and then just straight up thin. That's not okay. Okay, so maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy another pack. But I like how I look with long hair, so like I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. Kind of. I'm upset that they don't fit like I wanted it. But honestly, I mean, I couldn't have expected them to fit anyway, because like they weren't that expensive, so I'm unfortunately gonna have to deal with this for a little bit. It only took it took 2 days for these to get here, so I'm pretty sure that if I order them again, they're not gonna take too long. Yeah, you see, that's not how that's supposed to go. It's not supposed to get that thin. Or maybe it is. I don't know. See, that looks too weird. I don't want that. Anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna brush it and see what happens. I'm scared though. Like, I don't want anything to fall. Oh, nothing's falling out. That's good. Yeah, that's my normal hair. Yeah, so nothing's falling out. I like it. I really wish I would have gotten the right thing. My hair's so dark that it looks blended, except for like the top, because like my hair's dyed. So, which like I'm not upset. I like these. I really do. Okay. That's all for this video though, because it's getting kind of long. So, bye guys. See you guys next time.